Hi everyone, in this video, we will be checking out the Seemagic E2Pro. It is a versatile electric nail clipper which you can use it to trim and file your nails at the same time. Say no more to troublesome manual nail clippers which can hurt at the wrong angle. Let's check out this product. The packaging looks great, nicely packed. Let's move ahead to find out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one quick user guide, along with an accessory pack which contains one user guide to guide users on the product operation. Also included is a USB charging cable to recharge the device. A cleaning brush is included to clean up the product after use, along with the Seemagic E2Pro, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Seemagic E2Pro looks really cool. Check out the shining beautiful alloy metal case, which is very durable and sleek looking. Very elegant in design. Did you know, the metal cap is magnetic, so it can easily pop off or closed without much effort. Pretty ergonomic design. Check out the grinder itself, it's made of metal and looks really sturdy. Love the metallic reflective silver metal design on the rims of the grinder. There is a storage box, so after your nail clippings, everything is properly stored within it and doesn't spill all over unlike traditional nail clippers. Pops off and closes nicely in place when done. Cool, right? To use, simply press and hold the silver metallic button. It will activate the motor and you can release it. It runs on a 6000 RPM motor, which makes it really powerful. It is also relatively quiet. There is no loud noise as the motor is very quiet. The CNC-grade alloy blade head is super durable and the rotary motion helps cut and grind the nails into the length you desire. Let's try it out firsthand. I'll trim my nails to see how it turns out. During use, I don't feel any pain or discomfort. The motor is gentle and quiet. The blade doesn't cut the skin when used correctly. It trims and files the nail down to the length I need. Just move your finger around and the grinder will trim the nails down. After use, as you see, my nails are grimed and trimmed so perfectly. The edges are smooth, there is no rough edges. Great. The LED soft lighting helps guide the finger around during trims in low lighting condition. Perfect to use at any time, anywhere. Makes a good trimmer to bring out to caps too. Works in the dark. The power button also illuminates when used, helping users know where it is even in the dark. Great design and aesthetic features from the design team at Seemagic, with the LED soft lighting feature, along with a durable built-in long-lasting battery which on one full charge, can last 30 times of usage, makes this electric nail clipper a great option for the perfect trim on the go. Overall, I find the Seemagic E2Pro an elegant, versatile and highly portable electric nail clipper that you can conveniently use anytime, anywhere you want. If you want to find out more about it, check out the link in description for more details. Thank you for watching.